What's going on, everybody? How you guys doing today? It's Jake Kimberly here with Outdoor Rushes. And today's video was actually filmed a week ago.
But to be fair, we don't take the big camera out with us when we go on the kayaks.
No, we don't.
That's not smart.
Yeah, we need to get a waterproof case or something to put it
Yeah.
in. But our lake's finally opened up here. The last video you saw, I went and walked the bank a little bit. Lake's open the next day. I went out there, caught a couple fish, said, hey, Kimberly needs to take her kayak out. First time in almost a year that she's had her kayak out.
Yeah.
So we loaded up, headed to the lake. Kimberly used her fly rod. I used my bass tackle. She kicked my butt, caught all the fish.
Spoiler alert.
Yeah, she caught everything. I didn't catch crap.
No, but I brought my bass tackle and I knew what the fish were eating, so I opted for the fly rod. Some of us are too stubborn to do that.
Yeah, way too stubborn. But it's a cool little video. Should be a lot of fun. The lake was packed with people.
By the time we left.
Yeah, by the time we left at about 10:45, so we were only there for a couple hours, but that lake filled up. They started shutting off parking lots because they were at capacity. We didn't even try to go out this weekend with Memorial Day weekend. Again, thank you. I mean, make sure yesterday you celebrate. Every day you should celebrate Memorial Day. Remember somebody that gave everything for the freedoms that you have. But should be a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, like the video, leave us a comment down below, share it with your family and friends. I mean, we're good people. We should watch it too. So, thank you guys. Hopefully you enjoy.
Oh,
What happened?
the other strap broke.
But I had it tied off.
Well, yeah, but it's just now it's leaning back further. We're good. It just scared me. Have you guys tried this one yet? Try it.
I was hoping the shad spawn would be on. So I got a bunch of shad baits tied on. So I'm going to start with this little shad crankbait. Square bill, let's see what happens.
I'm going to start off with my Red Bull, the summer edition, watermelon flavored. It's amazing. And the water's gross. Can't see anything. They're here. Oh! Oh, now we're happy. Now we're happy. Okay. Alright, so they definitely want top water. Unfortunately, that means I might have to put on the top water. Oh my gosh, okay. Yay, we paid. Jake fixed my seat. Oh!
Get one?
Yeah!
Nice.
There we go.
Dang, this thing does not cast well. Oh, I got a fish. Yeah. Yeah, I got a little gill. Just had to change up a little bit.
So proud of you.
I just put on a little jig head with that last gulp minnow, so when this thing's gone, the minute it hit the water, that fish hit it. Got him. Oh, that's a nicer one. There we go, busted out. Little micro fishing stuff. There you go. Oh, that's a yellow. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a yellow bass.
Thought that hit
back
different.
in here?
Hello. Here, That's a big one too. What do you want to do?
If you want to keep them, we'll keep them. Right?
I don't think we have a way to keep them.
Stow them in the back of the boat.
Back of my boat?
You don't want to keep it, don't keep it. They just throw it in the boat for now and we'll see if we can't catch some more. If we don't catch any more.
That's
Huh?
oh, Gil.
You got one? Yay.
Woohoo.
Go you.
I'm having a nice day with you.
I'm having a nice day with you.
I wish you could figure out how to catch a fish.
I don't have a fly rod.
Nope, you don't.
No,
You can borrow mine.
that's alright. You got it. Dang, when you got that yellow, man, I was like, oh,
I know.
might be on them.
I like instantly thought of chimichurri.
I know, and then you dropped it.
And I freaking dropped it.
You're sitting right in the middle of the fishing.
You wanted me to relax.
I do. Out of the way of fishing.
Ooh.
What did we get? Little tiny freaking gill. Look at that little guy.
I knew those would be killer.
Trying to catch yellers or crappie. Not them stupid little things.
Be nice to them.
No. Why aren't you fishing?
I've caught fish.
So have I.
Have you?
A couple. Very little ones.
I've caught big ones and little ones and green ones and yellow ones and blue ones. Maybe
Wow.
there'd be one over there.
Yeah. That's a good one.
Not bad. Not bad. You know. Ah! Wiggly.
Did he jump in your boat?
No. He would have if he would have been unhooked. There we go. Right now, I'm happy to see a lot of people.
Yeah.
I know it won't last,
No.
but right now it makes me happy.
Yeah. Now if you hear on as you can see, she outfished me. She lost our lunch. We were gonna have a nice fish sandwich.
Well, it jumped out of me. Like,
Yeah.
it flew. Fish fly. And it was the only one that we caught anyways. So, because you couldn't catch anything.
I couldn't catch crap. But she lost our food. We starved that day. I mean, yes, we can afford to miss a couple meals, especially me. But I was hungry. Wanted some fish.
Well, go get us some fish today, maybe.
Nah. But
All right. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. I enjoyed the day. I thought it was a lot of fun. Jake didn't. He was a sourpuss the rest of the day. But it was really nice to be back out on the water. I didn't even mind seeing all the people. It was just an awesome sight to see after all this. So.
yeah, it was great.
Yeah.
Now hopefully they all stay home from here on out.
Now, hopefully they got their fix and now we can just go enjoy the lakes.
Yeah. All right. Well, thank you, everybody. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you made it this far. Like the video. You guys have a great day.